Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reset a TP-Link KASA smart home plug. So in order to reset it, what you need to do is you just have to simply follow these steps. So there are two types of resets available. The first is soft reset and the second one is the factory reset. So to reset the smart switching plug without losing the configuration settings, you need to press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds or until the Wi-Fi LED blinks amber and green to initiate the app configuration process. To reset the smart plug to factory defaults, you just have to simply press and hold the reset button until the Wi-Fi LED blinks amber rapidly. That would be about 10 seconds to reset the smart switch to the factory defaults. Now to the HS300 and KP303, the control buttons work as both the power and the reset button. So you just have to simply press the control button to turn on and off the corresponding outlet. Press and hold a control button for 5 seconds to re-enable setup mode for the corresponding outlet, and press and hold a control button for 10s to rotate the corresponding outlet to factory default settings. So this is how you can basically soft reset and you can factory reset your TP-Link KASA smart switch or plug. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.